she gonna do? Hey, don't record me. Mine. Hey, V-Tech. Oh, look, they beating each other with pole sticks. That's wonderful. Look at her, she's so adorable. Oh, yeah.
Rough neighborhood, too. It's a good thing I was wearing neutral gang colors. I might have had to pull out my 9 and bust a cap.
Product of the 90s on the beat, on the set, nigga.
Straight jacket.
On the beat, on the set, nigga.
He is rough, he is tough, and he will kick your ass, West Side!
Straight jacket.
West Side!
Straight jacket. Straight jacket.
West Side!
Straight jacket.
West Side!
Of the 90s on the beat, on the set, nigga.
He is rough, he is tough, and he will kick your ass, West Side!
Straight jacket.
West Side!
Oh, shit. Two of them. Yo, it's so weird to see like her build like done. I'm gonna picture it.
I ain't walking all the way over there because if I walk over there, I'm just looking for this car that whole time.
Yo, I used to see her like it's so different from like
That's the
before.
best license plate ever.
Yeah, toupee. Yeah, I love that. This is how you get low shots, ladies and gentlemen. Oh.
I try.
Vlog is life. I think this is what they call dunks or something. I can't see it. This is taller than me. See, I don't know if this is what you call his homie or not. Wait! Let me get it. Okay. Oh, he's back. Get the fuck. Saw that? Latino. Violent.
Hey, come here and feel my air conditioner. It's not getting cold.
I wish you would have told me. I would have brought my home. Hey, yo, so yeah, I'm at Target as you can see, trying to get my bug shit because they didn't have it at CVS. I don't know if I said that shit to y'all, but yeah, we about to go in here and see what they got. No dent gang, and that's probably somebody just as ignorant as that dude probably gonna park right next to me. Hopefully not. Yeah, dude, like in the BMW just went straight crazy in the Target parking lot. Like, what the fuck is your problem?
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.